Good afternoon, children. Welcome to your chemistry class. Today we will talk about some separation techniques, separation of mixtures. We will learn about today in this video tutorial evaporation and centrifugation process respectively. Boiling of water is a bulk phenomenon. Bulk means most of the particles together start changing their state from liquid to gas. It is necessary to use the word bulk. While lightening the definition of boiling point, because in practicality, some particles of colloid always keep changing their state from liquid to gas at normal temperature and normal pressure. This process of changing from a liquid to vapor at a particular temperature below its boiling point is called evaporation. Let us know more about evaporation. We can observe evaporation in our everyday life. Do a small activity. Take some water in a bowl or in a china dish and keep the bowl in the sunlight. Leave it in the sunlight for a few hours. What do you observe? You observe the water level of the bowl has come down. Where did the water go? It has evaporated. Let's see the evaporation at the particle level. We know the particles of water are always in motion. During this motion, some particles at the surface get energy from the surroundings and break free from the surface and get mixed into the air. This is happening much below the boiling point of the water. This phenomenon is called evaporation and not boiling. The difference in boiling point and at evaporation is that at the boiling point, particles break free from the surface of the liquid in bulk, while in evaporation, only few particles leave the surface and mixed into air. We see every day our clothes get dried in sunlight by the process of evaporation, right? This is an important phenomenon to maintain the balance of life in the nature. The water from the oceans get evaporated, which gets converted into clouds, and we get rains from those clouds. This is called water cycle. This cycle completely depends on evaporation. Evaporation also causes some problems. The crop fields which we irrigate with water, a lot of water get lost due to unnecessary evaporation. The water which runs into the canals also loses its substantial quantity. Centrifugation is another process to separate the constituents from a mixture. This is a technique which involves the application of centrifugal force to separate particles from a solution according to their size, shape, density, viscosity of the medium, and the rotor speed. Centrifugation separates the components of heterogeneous mixtures. These include liquids in liquids, solids in liquids, and solids and liquids in gases. Using centrifugal force causes the solid to settle more rapidly and completely. Centrifuge is a device used in science lab to separate suspensions by density. The more dense particles separate out and migrate to the bottom of the test tube, while the lighter particles move towards the top. Look at the machine. The machine is round in shape and has holes into which test tubes can be inserted. Then a lid covers the top of the machine and it can spin using its motor at a very high speed. This kind of separation through spinning is used to separate skimmed milk from the whole milk, dirt and water from the clothes, blood cells from the blood plasma, nucleic acids like DNA or RNA from the cell mixture. So children, besides evaporation, this is also a very important method to separate the constituents from a solution. I hope you all have enjoyed the video. Thank you.